We are here now at the UP Town Center AC Mobility EV Charging Hub. So actually nandito lang kami ngayon to charge our electric vehicle na SUV. Papunta kasi kami ngayon technically sa San Pedro to do a test drive with our clients, and right now we decided na dumaan dito sa UP Town Center EV charging station para ma-charge yung aming sasakyan. Kasi kanina, pag alis namin sa office, 32% yung charge niya, or 139 kilometers na lang pwedeng itakbo. So we decided to go here para i-charge tong sasakyan namin. Alright guys, so nandito na kami, nakapag-scan na kami and everything. So tatanggalin na namin to. Ipa-plug na namin dito sa aming hybrid. Alright, there you go. Ayan na, ayan na. Parang gasolina lang.
Hey, natapa na ano mga tapos.
Okay. Ayan na, naisaksak na namin.
Pay and confirm.
Alright, pay and confirm. Alright, so we'll see if how much can this go up if we are going to spend 350 pesos of charging. So we'll get back to you guys and see kung gaano ka-smart ito. Thank you. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon on our way na to San Pedro, Laguna. And tapos na kaming mag-charge, and yun nga, update ko lang kayo kasi medyo naputol yung video natin kanina. From 30, ilan yan? 36?
37.
37%. Nag-charge lang kami for almost 20 minutes. Hindi nga, feeling ko hindi nga nag 20 minutes.
10 minutes lang. Bro.
Almost 10 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes lang. And then from 36, 37, we're already at 54. 200 ilang kilometers? 252?
200, I think about 220
ayun.
kilometers.
And again guys, 10 minutes lang yon of charging, fast charging. Gumastos din kami ng nasa around 350, but it's still 350 kung i-convert natin yun for like a gasoline or a diesel. Kiliti lang yon sa SUV na ganito kalaki. So yun guys, first time namin actually na nag-charge ng ganon, and I can say na talagang it is a smart move na mag-convert from a internal combustion engine na sasakyan to an electric or a full EV na sasakyan. And mind you, this is SUV na 4x4. So yun, if you want to know more about the EJ6, please do not hesitate to call me. My name is Agent Mob. I'll post my number there sa baba. Kung gusto nyo naman mapuntahan or makita and ma-test drive itong sasakyan, puntahan nyo lang kami dun sa aming showroom sa may Ayala Mall, Feliz lang yan. Semicon Corporate Building, De La Paz, Pasig, along Marcos Highway. So yun guys, see you around.